Guru Ram Namaste. Good morning all of you. My dear third class students, today discuss about addition of 4-digit numbers. Addition of 4-digit numbers from your activity book, page number 26. Third class, page number 26 beta. Page number 26. See here, solve the following 4-digit additions. See, first one is 3104, 6145 beta. See, listen carefully. The given numbers write in column wise. Then first we add the digits in ones place. This is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, this is thousands place. First we add the digits in ones place. Now 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5. See, keep 4 in the mind and 5 in the hand. You can count 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then you can write 9. 9 write under ones column. Now next we add the digits in tens place. 0 plus 4. What we get beta? 4. 0 is added to any number, you can get the same number. 4. See here, 0 plus 4, 4. 4 you can write under tens place. Now we add the digits in hundreds place. 1 plus 1, that is equals to 2. You can write 2 under hundreds place. Next, we add the digits in thousands place. That is 3 plus 6. Keep 3 in the mind. You have to take 6 fingers in your hand. So 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you can get 9. 9 write under thousands column. Sum is equals to 9249. Next, 1733, 5246. So first we add the digits in ones place. 3 plus 6. So 3 after we can count 6. Keep 3 in the mind and 6 in your hand. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can get 9. 9 is a single digit number. Then you can write under ones column. Now next we add the digits in tens place. 3 plus 4. Keep 3 in the mind. You have to take 4 fingers in your hand. You can count 3 after 4. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is a 1-digit number. You can write under tens place. Now next 7 plus 2. Keep 7 in the mind and you have to take 2 fingers in your hand. You can count 7 after 8, 9. 9 is a 1-digit number. You can write directly. Next 1 plus 5. So 1 is added to any number, you can get the next number. 1 plus 5, what we get beta? 6. You can write directly. The sum is 6979. Now next, 4428, 3171. First, the given numbers write in column wise according to their places, and first we add the digits in one's place. 8 plus 1, so you can get 9. 9 right under one's column. Now next we add the digits in tens place, that is 2 plus 7. Very easy. So keep 2 in the mind and you have to take 7 fingers in your hand. You can count 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can get what beta? 9. 9 right under tens column. Now next we add the digits in hundreds place, that is 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1, 5. Right under hundreds column. Next 3, 4 plus 3. Keep 4 in the mind and you have to take 3 fingers in your hand. You can count 4 after 5, 6, 7. 7 right under thousands place. Sum is equals to 7,599. Next 1,392, 4,505. See here, first we add the digits in ones place. These are the ones place digits. This is tens place, hundreds place digits, thousands place digits. First we add the digits in ones place. 2 plus 5. Keep 2 in the mind. We have to take 5 fingers in your hand. Next you can count the numbers after 2. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is a 1 digit number. You can write directly under one's place. Now next 9 plus 0. Any number add to 0, you can get the same number. 9. 0 is added to any number, you can get the same number. 0 plus 9, 9 plus 0, you can get 9. 9 right under tens column. Next we add the digits in hundreds place, that is 3 plus 5. Keep 3 in the mind and you have to take 5 fingers in your hand. Now next you can count 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 right under hundreds column. Next we add the digits in hundreds place, that is 1 plus 4. What we get beta? 5. Sum is equals to 5,897. Next 5,371 plus 3,426. The given numbers, first of all, you can arrange in column wise. Next, we add the digits first. See here, 1 plus 6. What do we get? 7. We can write 7 under one's place. Next 7 plus 2, 9. Keep 7 in the mind, 2 in the hand, 7 after 8, 9. Next we add the digits in hundreds place, 3 plus 4. Keep 3 in the mind and 4 in the hand. You can count 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 right under hundreds column. Next we add the digits in thousands place, that is 5 plus 3. Keep 5 in the mind and you have to take 3 fingers in your hand. 5 after 6, 7, 8. 8 write down under thousands column. So the sum is 8,797. Next we can do remaining problems and I can say second row first one. See here, 7,312, 1,255. First we add the digits in ones place, 2 plus 5. What we get better? 7. Keep 2 in the mind and 5 in the hand. You can count 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Under ones column. Next, we add the digits in tens place, that is 1 plus 5. What we get better? 6. 6 write down under tens column. Next, 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 means 5. Very simple. 3 after 4, 5. So 5 write down under space. Next, 7 plus 1, you can get 8, write down under thousands place. Next, 3,623, 1,345. So the given numbers write down in column wise, and first we add the digits in ones place. See here, 3 plus 5, keep 3 in the mind and 5 in the hand. 3 after you can count 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 write down under ones column. Next we add the digits in tens place, that is 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 write down under tens column. Next, 6 plus 3. Keep 6 in the mind and you have to take 3 fingers in your hand. You can count 6 after 7, 8, 9. 9 write down under hundreds column. Now next we add the digits in thousands place. 3 plus 1, 4 write down under thousands column. The sum is 4,968. Now next, $2,035 plus 1,652. We add the digits in ones place first. 5 plus 2, 7. Write down 7 under ones place. Next to add the digits in tens place. 3 plus 5, 8. Write down under tens column. Next, we add the digits in hundreds place. That is 0 plus 6. 0 is added to any number, you can get the same number. 0 plus 6, 6. 6 write down under hundreds column. Next, 2 plus 1, that is equals to 3. You can write 3, write down under thousands. Then the sum is 3,687. Next. $5,117, 2,402. First we add the digits in ones place, that is 7 plus 2. Keep 7 in the mind and 2 in the hand. 7 after you can count 2, 8, 9. 9 write down under ones column. Next, 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0, 1. Write down under tens column. Now next we add the digits in hundreds place, that is 1 plus 4. What we get beta 5. You can write down under hundreds column. Next, 5 plus 2. Keep 5 in the mind and you have to take 2 fingers in your hand. You can count 5 after 6, 7. write down 7 under thousands column. So, there are many problems you can do at home. Now next, find the sum. See here. Listen carefully, this is very, very important. Find the sum. One is done for you. See here, listen carefully. Find the sum. See here, beta, 2500 plus 2000, you can get 4500. I can say very easy, no? I can say very simply. See, listen carefully. First we can write here 2500 plus 2000. Look at the blackboard, everybody. So 0, 0, 5 plus 0, 5, 2 plus 2, 4. You can add directly. See here, again, plus 3000. See here, plus 3000 means 4500 plus 3000. See here, 0, 0, 5, 7500. So I can say short method also. See here, look at the blackboard. 2500 plus 2000. Here 2000, 2 is in thousands place, the remaining numbers 0, 0. So 2000 plus 2000, 4500. Now next here 4500 plus 3000. See here, thousands plus 3, here 4. 3 plus 4, 7. Next, hundreds plus here 5, here 0. 500. Means 7500. That is the easy method. See, if it is confused easy method, so you can do this method. So, it is very nice and easy. Now next, 4800 plus 1000. Very easy beta. 4800 plus 1000, actually 5800. See here, 4800 plus 1000. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 8 plus 0, 8, 4 plus 1, 5. 5800 plus 2000. See here, here 100 plus 0, here 100 plus 8, here 1000 plus 2, here 1000 plus 5. So 2 plus 5, 7. 7800. See here, 5800 plus 2000. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 8 plus 0, 8, 5 plus 2, 7. So what we get beta? 7800. See here, next 6205 plus 2000. Actually 6205 plus 2000, you can get 8205. See here, 6205, 2000. See here, 5 plus 0, 5, 0 plus 0, 0, 2 plus 0, 2, 6 plus 2, 8. What we get beta? 8205 plus 1000. Generally we get 9205. See here, 8205 plus 1000. 5 plus 0 5, 0 plus 0 0, 2 plus 0 2, 8 plus 1 9. 9205. Next 5416 plus 1000. You can get 6416. 5416 plus 1000. 6 plus 0 6. 1 plus 0 1, 4 plus 0 4, 5 plus 1 6. So what we get beta? 6416 plus 3000. Actually 6416 plus 3000, 9416. 6000 plus 3000, 9000. See here. 6416 plus 3000. 6 plus 0 6, 1 plus 0 1, 4 plus 0 4, 6 plus 3 9. What we get beta? 9416. Next 4999 plus 2000. So 4 plus 2, 6999. 4999 plus 2000. 9 plus 0 9, 9 plus 0 9, 9 plus 0 9, 2, 4 plus 2 6. You can get 6999 plus 3000. What we get beta? 6000 plus 3000, 9999. The largest 4-digit number. See here. 6999 plus 3000. 9 plus 0 9, 9 plus 0 9, 9 plus 0 9, 6 plus 3 9. What we get beta? 9999. Now next, do the given 4-digit addition by carry. Listen carefully. See first one, 5969, 9584. First of all, the given numbers arranged in column wise. First we add the digits in first place, that is 9 plus 4. Keep 9 in the mind and 4 in the hand. You can count 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 is a 2-digit number. So 3 is in 1's place, 1 is in 10's place. So 3 is in 1's place. 3 taking and write down under 1's column, 1 is carrying in 10's place. Because next we add the digits in 10's place. See here, we add the digits in tens place along with carrying, that is 1 plus, look at the blackboard, 1 plus 6 plus 8. First we add 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6 you can get 7. Next we add 7 plus 8. Means keep 7 in the mind and we have to take 8 fingers in your hand. You can count to 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So here 15, 2-digit number. It has taking and carrying. So 5 is taking and write down under tens column. Next 1 is carrying in hundreds place. Next to add the digits in hundreds place and along with carrying, that is 1 plus 9 plus 5. First we add 1 plus 9, 1 plus 9, 10. Next we add 10 plus 5. Keep 10 in the mind, we have to take 5 fingers in your hand. You can count 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 5 is taking and write down under hundreds column, 1 is carrying in thousands place. Next, this is last, add the digits in thousands place along with carrying, that is 1 plus 5 plus 9. 1 plus 5, 6. Next we add 6 plus 9. Keep 6 in the mind and you have to take 4 fingers in your hand. You can count 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You can get 15. See here, Nana, this is the last column of the given number, so you can write 15 directly. First we write 5 under thousand space and 1 you can write before of the beside of the 1. Sorry, beside of the 5. So 50, like this. So sum is equals to, see here, 15,553. Next, 6,578. 6,578. 2,684. First we add the digits in one's place. See here, 8 plus 4. Keep 8 in the mind and you have to take 4 fingers in your hand. You can count 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. You can get 12. 12 is a 2-digit number. 2 is taking and write down under one's column. 1 is carrying in tens place. Next we add the digits in tens place. 1 plus 7 plus 8. 1 plus 7, 8. Next 8 plus 8. So keep 8 in the mind and we have to take 8 fingers in your both hands. 5 fingers plus 3 fingers, 8 fingers. You can count 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 in it, 6 is taking and write down under tens column, 1 is carrying in hundreds place. Next we add the digits in hundreds place. 1 plus 5 plus 6. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 6. Keep 6 in the mind and you have to take 6 fingers in your hand. You can count 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What we get better? 12. In it 2 is taking and write under hundreds column, 1 is carrying in thousands place. Next we add the digits in thousands place along with carrying, that is 1 plus 6 plus 2. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 2, 9. So you can write directly 9. The 9 write down under thousands place. Sum is 9,262. Next 1092 6595. First to add the digits in ones place. 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 what will be beta? 7. 7 write down under ones place. Next 9 plus 9. Look at the blackboard everybody. Keep 9 in the mind and you have to take 9 fingers in your both hands. You can count to 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18. In it 8 is taking and write down under tens place, the remaining 1 carrying in hundreds place. So next we add the digits in hundreds place. 1 plus 0 plus 5. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 write down under thousands, hundreds column. Next we add the digits in thousands place, that is 1. See here, sum is equals to 7687. How many minutes completed?
32. 32 minutes. Okay.
Next 7785 5020. First we add the digits in ones place. 5 plus 0. 5 write down under ones place. 8 plus 2. 10, 0 taking, write down under tens place, 1 is carrying in hundreds place. Next 1 plus 7 plus 0, 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 0, 8. 1 digit number you can write it directly. Next 7 plus 5, look at the blackboard. 7 plus 5 means 12. Keep 7 in the mind and you have to take 5 fingers in your hand. 7 after count 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12. This is the last column of the given number. You can write directly 12. How you can write it? First 2 write under else column. Next 1 you can write beside of the 2. 12 like this only. The sum is 12,805. Next 4,170 5,458. First we add the digits in ones place, that is 0 plus 8. 0 plus 8, 8. Write down under ones place. Next to add the digits in tens place. 7 plus 5, 12. 2 is taking and write down under tens column. 1 is carrying in hundreds place. Next 1 plus 1 plus 4. 1 plus 1, 2. Next 2 plus 4, 6. 6 write down under hundreds column. Next to add the digits in thousands place, there is no carrying, no beta. 4 plus 5 is equals to 9, write down under thousands place. Sum is equals to 9,628. Next 9,957, 4,268. First to add the digits in ones place. 7 plus 8. You can count directly. Learn. 7 plus 8. So 5 fingers plus 8 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 5 taking right down under 1's place, 1 is carrying in 10's place. Next we add 1 plus 5 plus 6. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. So 2 is and taking right down under 10's column. 1 is carrying in 100's place. Next 1 plus 9 plus 2. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 2 taking right down under 100's column and 1 is carrying in 1000's place. Next 1 plus 9 plus 4. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 4, 14 beta. You can learn directly. See, 14. So this is the last column of the given number. You can write 14 directly. First you can write 4, next you can write 1. Okay. Now next 4,807, 3,750. 7 plus 0, 7. Write down under 1's place. 0 plus 5. These are the properties. 5. Write down under 10's column. Next 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7. You can count 8 after 7 fingers. 5 fingers, 2 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So in it 5 is taking and write down under 100's column. Remaining number 1 is carrying in 1000's place. Next to add the digits in 1000's place. 1 plus 4 plus 3. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. The sum is 8,557. Three thousand 859, 1,981. First we add the digits in one's place. 9 plus 1, 10. 0 taking. Write down under one's place. 1 is carrying in 10's place. Next 1 plus 5 plus 8. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 8, 14. 6 after you can count 8 fingers, you can get 14. 4 is taking and write down under 10's column. 1 is carrying in 100's place. Next 1 plus 8 plus 9. I can say directly learner this method. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. So 8 is taking and write down under 100's column and remaining number 1 is carrying in 1000's place. Next to add the digits in 1000's place. 1 plus 3 plus 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. You can write direct. The sum is 5,840. Next 9,478, 7,370. 8 plus 0, 8. Write down under one's column. Next 7 plus 7, 14. 4 is taking, write down under tens column, 1 is carrying in hundreds place. Next 1 plus 4 plus 3, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 3 8. Write down under hundreds column. See, 8 is a one digit number, there is no carrying beta. Next 9 plus 7, 16. 16 write down directly because this is the last column of the given number. Sum is equals to 16,840. So you can do remaining problems at home. So today our class is completed. Tomorrow discuss about what the problems on addition. Thank you everybody.